Hey guys, you might have caught my last video on the Sony A7S3 that I unboxed. Well, today I have the Sony A7C. And this comes with this little lens over here, the fe4-5.6/28-60. So I'm gonna check it out, unbox it for you guys, and see if I might actually like this one better than the A7S3 compact wise, because the A7S3 of course has more features and the updated UI. So pretty cool already. It comes with a strap, Sony A7C strap, which does match the strap that comes with the A7S3 that I'm trying to look for right now, but I can't find, so fuck it. Yeah. So that's that. And I think this is the camera. Yeah, this is the camera. Looking all good. Yeah, it's definitely much smaller. Sorry guys, hold on one second. Yeah, it's definitely much smaller. So far it feels good in the hands. Mirrorless camera as well. I'm just gonna compare it right now. I'm just gonna compare it to this one, size-wise. Take this off. Yeah, you can see that it is much noticeably smaller. The viewfinder is on the right side as opposed to the center. I'm not gonna lie, I like the design of this better. It looks better to me. Now, of course, it's gonna suck to go from the interface, the UI from here to here, because this uses the old Sony UI. That's a little clunky and doesn't really let you use the touchscreen. So I don't know how I'm gonna like that, but anyways, there it is. I'm gonna start playing around with these two. So thanks for watching and subscribe, please.